Hello everyone. Are you looking for the top 5 spoke wrenches? Then this video is for you. Keep watching until the end for a surprise. Let's get started. Park Tool Triple Spoke Wrench. The Park Tool Triple Spoke Wrench, proudly made in the USA, is an essential tool for home mechanics. Designed to accommodate the 3 most common spoke nipple sizes, it allows for easy maintenance and truing of bicycle wheels. The wrench features a nickel-plated finish for enhanced durability and an ergonomically shaped handle for comfortable use. Whether you're adjusting spoke tension or performing routine wheel maintenance, this versatile tool ensures your bike's wheels remain smooth and well-aligned. Its high-quality construction and practical design make it a reliable choice for keeping your bike in top condition. GOABROA Spoke Wrench. The GOABROA Spoke Wrench is a versatile and essential tool for bicycle maintenance. Suitable for tightening, removing, or installing bike wheel spokes, it fits a wide range of spoke cap sizes from 10G to 15G, including both metric and SAE nipple sizes. Constructed from hard steel with a chrome-plated finish, it is both durable and lightweight, making it easy to carry for on-the-go adjustments. This spoke wrench ensures your spokes are correctly tensioned and your wheels remain straight and true. Its robust build and compact size make it a reliable companion for any cyclist. LETUSPORT Spoke Wrench. The LETUSPORT Spoke Wrench is crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a 9H hardness rating, ensuring durability and long-term performance. It features 2 sizes, a circular spoke wrench and a 14 model spoke wrench, accommodating a range of spoke nipple sizes. This tool is designed to keep your spokes properly adjusted and prevent wheel rim deformation. Weighing just 1.94 ounces, it is compact, lightweight, and highly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go bicycle maintenance and adjustments. The LETUSPORT Spoke Wrench is a reliable choice for maintaining optimal wheel performance. Park Tool SW42 Spoke Wrench. The Park Tool SW42 4-sided spoke wrench is engineered for optimal strength and precision during wheel truing. Its unique 4-sided design prevents slipping and deformation of aluminum nipples, especially under high tension. Designed specifically for 3.45 millimeters, 0.136 inches, nipples, which are common on department store and mid-range bikes, this tool offers reliable performance. The wrench's robust build ensures durability and accurate wheel adjustments, making it an essential addition to any cyclist's toolkit. By measuring your nipple size and using the Park Tool SW42, you can maintain your bike's wheels with confidence and precision. ATLIN Spoke Wrench. The ATLIN Bicycle Spoke Wrench is a practical tool for cyclists engaged in wheel building, repairs, or truing. Made from sturdy steel, this compact and lightweight wrench fits easily in a pocket or bike bag, ensuring it's always available when needed. It accommodates various spoke nipple sizes in both metric and SAE measurements, providing versatility for different wheel setups. This spoke wrench is ideal for maintaining optimal wheel tension and alignment, whether you are on the road or performing repairs at home. Its durable construction and convenient design make it a valuable addition to any cyclist's toolkit. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect spoke wrench. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.